Namaste, children. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Today, uh, we had completed in that textbook lesson 1, a true friend, lesson 2, mix up at birth. And we had completed reading skill and the listening skill in the textbook. Okay. If there any bit left in the textbook, we will do after school reopen. Don't worry about that. Now, in the practice book, we had completed that nouns chapter, naming words. Now, second chapter, unit 2 is genders. Okay. Today, we are learning about the genders. I hope you are already watched the video genders which I PPT which I made you for you. Genders male, masculine, feminine, calmer, and neuter genders. These 4 genders I explained in that PPT. You just watch again if you have any doubt about that. So based on the genders, I made it. Now we are practicing that concept in your practice book. Practice book is nothing but which concept you had learned. You just practice. You should answer. The questions will be given in the practice book. You should answer for that. Okay. Yeah, look at the following family tree and the names of some of the relationships in the 8 box. Then complete the sentences given on the next page. Some sentences have been completed as examples. See here, it is a family tree. Kishore Lal, Kishori Lal, Shanta Devi. These are the main grand first generation. Second generation, Rajat Kapoor, Sunita Nayyar, Dheeraj Nayyar, Pallavi Bansal. These are the second generation people. Now third generation, Madhuri Kapoor, Mahima Kapoor, Abhimanyu Nayyar, Ankit Nayyar. These 4 are the belongs to third generation. See here, first generation, second generation, and third generation. This is a family tree. Okay. Now, based on this family, the questions here, male and female, they all are there here, male or female. Okay. The person either male or female. Here, based on this family tree, 8 box is given down. In this, based on the family tree, some questions were asked in the next page. This is page number 11 and this is page number 12. I clubbed it here in this one slide only. Okay. Now, I read the names till now. Now, first question. Sunita Nayyar. Here relations are there here: grandmother, grandfather, grandson, mother, aunt, uncle, cousin, daughter-in-law, sister-in-law, brother-in-law, granddaughter, son, father, niece, son-in-law, son, daughter, nephew. These are the relationships, names of the relationships. So, based on this family, here some questions were asked here. Okay. Sunita Nayyar is Kishorilal Nayyar's. Sunita Nayyar is Kishorilal Nayyar's. What is the relation between these two? She is a daughter of Kishorilal. See, first, you just read the question. First name, relation, first person relation with the second person here asked. Sunita Nayyar is what to Kishorilal Nayyar. Understood? So Kishorilal daughter is Sunita Nayyar. Okay. Now, second question. Rajat Kapoor is Kishorilal's. Yeah, Rajat Kapoor. Sunita Nayyar's husband. Rajat Kapoor is Sunita Nayyar's husband. So, he is not son. Kishorilal's son is Kishorilal Shanta Devi's son is Dheeraj Nayyar. Dheeraj Nayyar and Sunita Nayyar are brother and sisters. These two are siblings. And Sunita Nayyar married Rajat Kapoor and Dheeraj Nayyar married Pallavi Bansal. Okay. So now Rajat Kapoor related to Kishorilal and Santa Devi, how? He is a son-in-law. Rajat Kapoor is son-in-law of Kishorilal and Shanta Devi. Now Dheeraj Kapoor, how he related? Dheeraj Kapoor is son of the Kishori Lal and Shanta Devi. Now Pallavi Bansal, here Rajat Kapoor is what? Son-in-law. Now Pallavi Bansal, daughter-in-law. So she is a daughter according to law. That is daughter-in-law. Okay. She is considered as a daughter according by the law. So son-in-law, brother-in-law, daughter-in-law, sister-in-law. Those are the brothers. Same relation only, but they got married. These people, no? So by law they bought these people. So it's considered as a by law they become as his brother or sister or daughter or um, son, like that. Now, third one, Dheeraj Nair is Kishori Lal's. Now, Dheeraj Nair is Kishori Lal's son. Here, you should write here, son. Have you had pencil? Pencil, eraser, sharpener. Keep with you. Okay. Now, write, son. Third answer is son. Now, Pallavi Bansal is Shanta Devi's. Now, Pallavi Bansal. Here, Rajat Kapoor is son-in-law. Sunita is daughter. Dheeraj Nair is son. Pallavi Bansal, Dheeraj Nair's wife, no. So automatically, as usual, these two, Pallavi Bansal is daughter-in-law of this Kishori Lal and Shanta Devi. Okay. Now, daughter-in-law. Now, fifth one. Here, numbers are given in wrong way. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Instead of 8, they had given. Instead of 6, they had given 8. Don't get confusion. Okay. Madhuri Kapoor is Dheeraj Nair's. Madhuri Kapoor. Who is Madhuri? See, she is Madhuri. Madhuri is daughter of Sunita Nair and Rajat Kapoor. So, Madhuri Kapoor is, okay, niece of Dheeraj Nair. Dheeraj Nair, me niece and nephew, we say that Menakodalu and Menalludu in Telugu. I don't know about in Hindi what they say, but in Telugu we say that Menakodalu and Menalludu. No, niece is sister's daughter. No, obviously niece only. Okay, brother's daughter also niece only. Okay, we say that sister's daughter or brother's daughter. We say that niece. If son is there, brother's son, daughter, sister's son, we say nephew. Okay, now Dheeraj Nair. Madhuri Kapoor is Dheeraj Nair's niece. Now, sixth one. Abhimanyu Nair is Sunita Nair's. Now, Abhimanyu Nair is here. Here, vice versa. Madhuri is niece of Dheeraj. Abhimanyu is nephew of Sunita. Of course, you can say that what will the relation to that the Rajat Kapoor. For Rajat Kapoor also, he is nephew. For Pallavi Bansal also, Madhuri is niece. Okay. Madhuri is niece of Pallavi Bansal and Dheeraj Nair. Abhimanyu Nair is nephew of Sunita Nair and Rajat Kapoor. You can ask Ankit, what is the relation between Sunita Nair and Rajat Kapoor and Ankit? These two are wife and husband, no? So Ankit also nephew of Sunita Kapoor, Sunita Nair and Rajat Kapoor. Madhuri Kapoor and Mahima Kapoor, those are the nieces of Dheeraj Nair and Pallavi Bansal. Understood? Okay. Abhimanyu Nair is Sunita Nair's nephew. Abhimanyu Nair is Sunita Nair's nephew. Menalludu we say. Dheeraj Nair is Madhuri Kapoor's. Now, previous question is asked what? What is the relation? Madhuri is related to Dheeraj in what way? So she is niece. Now Dheeraj is related to Madhuri in what way? Now they asked a question. So Madhuri, how Madhuri will call Dheeraj? Uncle only. Okay, as mother's brother. Mother's brother we say that uncle. Mother's sister we say aunt. Okay. Father's sister also we say aunt. Father's brother we say uncle. Okay. Mahima, eighth one. Mahima Kapoor is Shanta Devi's. Now Shanta Devi, first generation. Second generation will say the father or uncle, father, mother, father, uncle, aunt. These four only will be. Second generation. Now this is for third generation. Now for them, Madhuri is the third generation child. So for their our parents we say the grandparents. So now the question is Mahima Kapoor is this Mahima Kapoor, how she related to Shanta Devi? Mahima Kapoor is Shanta Devi's granddaughter. What about that? How Shanta Devi related to Mahima Kapoor? No, grandmother. Okay. Mahima Kapoor related to Shanta Devi's granddaughter. Shanta Devi related to Mahima Kapoor as grandmother. Don't get confusion. Very simple. Pallavi Bansal is Sunita Nayars. Pallavi Bansal is Sunita Nayars. How they related? Brother's wife, no? Sister-in-law. Brother's wife, no? Sister-in-law. Okay. Ankit Nayar's Madhuri Kapoor's. Now Ankit Nayar is there. Ankit Nayar. And how these four related? These two are Madhuri Kapoor and Mahima Kapoor are siblings. Abhimanyu Nayar and Ankit Nayar are siblings. Okay. These two are cousins of these two. These two are cousins of these two. Mahima Kapoor and Madhuri Kapoor are cousins to Abhimanyu Nayar and Ankit Nayar. Ankit Nayar and Abhimanyu Nayar are cousins to Madhuri Kapoor and Mahima Kapoor. Okay. Now, Ankit Nayar is Madhuri Kapoor's cousin. Children, nowadays we don't have that, we have nuclear family. uh, Generally who are living in nuclear family, they will get confusion about the relation. They usually confused about the relation. Don't get confusion. You just understand this. You ask your parents and grandparents, how should I call them? What should I call them? In what way should I call them? Don't say aunt, uncle. Use our, we are living in Hindu, India. Say the Hindu relations. Don't say uncle. In a foreign culture is that whether grand uncle, dad's brother is uncle, mummy's brother also uncle. No, mummy's brother we say in Telugu Mamaya, dad's brother we say in Pedanana or Chinnana. Okay, get the relations. Ask your parents or grandparents about your family. Okay, you should know this topic is covered in social also. Learn the relations. Now remember this topic. Male human beings are animals belong to the masculine gender, while female human beings are animals belong to the feminine gender. Okay, we learned this in already PPT. Feminine, masculine genders are male and feminine genders are female. Next, page number 13. Here, actual worksheet started from here. The following persons or animals have got separated. They got separated each other from their parent partners. Partner means male and female will be. Then we say that partner, life partner. See, life partner means wife and husbands. Okay. Sibling partners, brother and sisters are two brothers. Okay. Um, draw lines to match the partners. Author. Here they ask the draw lines, but it looks awkward. So I did not ask any time the children to write draw the lines. Instead of drawing, you give the numbers like this. I had given right side of you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You add the numbers to this and add A, B, C, D for this. Okay. Then how can you match? See, write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This right side and add. See, remember that always left side they will give the question, right side they will give the answer. These are the question. You should answer to this given question. Don't give the Question to the given answer. Okay, that's why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 give question numbers to the questions, and A, B, C, D, these are the options. Okay, add option to the correct option to the correct question. See, first one is E, right? First one is what? Author. What is the right answer? Authoress. Please don't match, right? Like this. Okay, wherever you have matching, you just do that. If they had given the numbers, you just write like this. Otherwise, you should write the numbers, and one side numbers and other side alphabet. Always give answers, alphabet to the answers. Give question numbers to the questions. Now, 1E, author, authoress, actor, actress, landlord, landlady, horse, mare, peacock, peahen, hero, heroine, sir, madam, wizard, witch. Okay, these you should add. Like this only you should write that numbers. Right side I had given 1E, 2H, 3G, 4F, 5C, 6A, 7B, 8D. So don't get confusion. Question number to the question number, you should add the options. Options are A, B, C, D. Questions are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now go for the worksheet 2. After you just stop the play and do the work and continue the play again. The names of some persons or animals are given below. Write M if they are the masculine gender, belong to masculine gender. Write F if they are the of the feminine gender. Write the name of the opposite gender in the space provided. Take the words from the 8 box. Here 8 box given. Here opposite gender you should write. Here you write whether the given name is male or female. So person or animal given here. In the first box, write bride. Bride is a here. I had given answers. Bride. F means female. You should write these two boxes. I gave answers here. Please see that. Bride, female. What is opposite gender? Bridegroom. Bride opposite gender? Bridegroom. Bridegroom means male. Bride means female. Host, male. What is opposite gender? Hostess. Master, male. What is opposite gender? Mistress. Master opposite gender is mistress. Duke, she is male. And what is opposite gender? Duchess. Cow is female. Now what is opposite gender? Bull. Queen, female. Opposite gender is king. Bitch, female. Dog is male. Empress, female. Emperor is male. Horse is male. Opposite gender, male. Peacock is male. Opposite gender, peahen. You just stop that audio, video and write the answers. Check your answers later. And don't follow only teacher's word. You just rectify whether teacher is, answers are correct or wrong. Okay. Now worksheet 3, page number 14. We have learned about the masculine and feminine genders. Let us understand about the common gender. Till now, till here we learned male or female nouns. That is masculine noun or feminine noun. Now coming that the page number 14, we are going to learn the common genders. See, in the box they had given what? Some names are common for both the genders. They can be used for the both males and females, either male or female. They are nouns of the common gender. For example, child, doctor. These are child means male or female, doctor means male or female. So I explained this detailed in the genders video. Once you watch that again, okay. Now, or add a few more to the list. See here, they had given two examples. You can give some more examples. Just I had given student. Student means male or female. Friend, male or female friend, or boy or girl. Engineer, male engineer or female engineer. BTech, we say that who completed BTech, we usually say them as engineer. Cousin. Cousin means don't say that cousin brother, cousin sister. It's wrong usage. You have to say only cousin. When you are using pronoun, automatically we come to know that male or female. It's unknowingly should understand. But don't say that cousin brother. I went to meet my cousin brother. No, no, no. It's wrong. Wrong usage. Only use cousin. Lawyer. Lawyer means male or female. Female we say lawyer. Male also we say lawyer. Male person or female person. Okay. Now you write all this. If you don't want really like it, write all this. These are the examples I had given. If you want to write your own, you write, but write the correct word. Now complete the names of the following persons or animals and write whether they belong to male or female or common gender. They had given in the nouns male, female, or common. You have to identify and write. You write the name here. What is the name? Here clue is given. Based on the clue, you should write here. The first one has been done for you. Usually, always the first one done for an example. First one, a person who paints is called as painter. Okay, painter is given. Painter is a common noun. Painter is a common noun. So they had given common. But don't write with the capital letter. It is they had written C capital. No, it's small c only. A child without parents is called an orphan. Orphan without parents means they had parents but they don't know, either they are not there on the earth or they don't know their parents. Those are called orphans. Orphan. ORPHAN. Right side I had given answers here. So orphan is what noun? Common noun. Write the box in the box common noun. A person who lives in the house next to yours. Beside your house, who lives? Those person is called your neighbor. What is the spelling? Neighbor. Neighbor. Some letters are given missing letters. Some letters are missed, but I had given full spelling. You had to write the correct fitted letters only. Don't write the full spelling again. Don't write N. N already given. You write N after what is there? E. I you should write. Okay. I you should write here. GH already given. B you should write. O already given. You should write. Okay. Then your father's dad. Your father's dad or your mother's dad? What do you say? He is your grandfather. Grandfather. See, neighbor is what? Common. Well, neighbor means male will be, female will be. Orphan means male person will be, female person will be. Grandfather means male or female, both are there in the grandfather. No, no, no. Only father. Father shows male. So it masculine. Masculine. If you want it male also, it's okay. But to practice, if you practice the spelling masculine, you will be learn the spelling. Okay. If you write male, also is right. Now, fifth one, the opposite gender of a horse is a mare. 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 Mare is feminine or female. You write this one. Opposite gender of nephew is niece. NIECE. Feminine gender. A person who teaches us is a teacher. Common gender. You just understand that teacher means not only female. In the society feels that teacher means it's female teachers only. Most it was stamped like that. No, no. Teacher means male teacher and female both are there. Okay. Now go for worksheet 4. Miss Pra- Parich. Parikh. Miss Parikh is going to tell her students a new story today. But there is a problem. The boys want her to tell them the story of wizard, while the girls want to tell them the story of witch. Obviously, When children will ask, tell the girl story, tell the lady story only. When boys will ask, boys story or gent story, teacher will get confused always. No, generally it will happen, but she wants to teach. She wants to tell the story for both. How? We will see now. Miss Parikh thinks of a plan. She thought of a plan. What is that? I will tell you a story. Change the gender of the nouns in each line, and you can get the story both about the witch and the wizard. Very good idea of the teacher. See, she will tell a story, uh, one gender. You had to transfer the same story into another gender. Okay, complete the story that students narrated. What is the story name? The Cruel Wizard of Osmania. The Cruel Witch of Osmania. What is change here? Wizard replaced with witch. Here, once upon a time, there lived a wizard in a jungle. It's a first line. Now you have to transfer the same story into here. What is there? Given wizard. What should you write here? Witch. Same remaining will be the same. Only gender will change. Once upon a time, there lived a witch in a jungle. Okay. Now, second sentence. He was very kind hearted, but his wife was very cruel. What gender you should change? He means she. Here he is there, you have to replace with she. And his means his replaced with her. Wife replaced with husband. Remaining will be the same. See here. I had given answer. She was very kind hearted, but her husband was very cruel. Next, go for. I had given ABCD. Don't get confusion. To understand easily, I had given. Here ABCDs are not there. Each line I had given separate ABCD to separate each other. The wizard would always help everyone who was in trouble. What you have to change? Wizard only. Remaining will be the same. The witch would always help everyone who was in trouble. Now, the witch with her magic wand caused problems for the people. The witch, you should change. How? The witch will replace with the wizard. With her, the wizard, with here which is there, so we used her. Now we are writing with the replacing of which as a wizard, so you should write with his magic wand. With which and her replaced with wizard and his magic wand caused problems for the people. Remaining will be the same. One day, the emperor of Afghanistan and the duke of Kent were. See again, we will write, we have to change. Emperor opposite gender is what? Empress. Duke opposite gender is what? Duchess. See, one day, the emperor here, one day, the empress of Afghanistan and the duchess of Kent were. See, same capital letters better. Be aware of that capital letters. Where should you write? You should write the capital letters. Were passing through the jungle on their horses. Horses opposite gender is what? Maids. Passing through the jungle on their maids. Now second one. The witch saw them coming and thought to herself. The witch is replaced with what? Wizard. And herself, because which we used here which. So here, what is the pronoun of female? Herself. And if I use wizard, what is the pronoun of wizard? Himself. It's a reflexive pronoun. The wizard saw them coming and thought to himself. I had given here. The wizard saw them coming and thought to himself. Here, comma is there. You should also. I had given full stop. No, it should be comma. He, let me trouble them and steal their peacocks. The wizard thought to himself, let me trouble them and steal their. Here, peacock is replaced with peahens. Okay. Now, the wizard heard her and decided to help the travelers. The wizard is replaced, wizard and her. The here we change a which. The witch heard him and decided to help the travelers. Double L here, beta. This system did not allow to write here. Double L you should write. Here not single L. Traveler spelling double L. Here it is given in the textbook. You should follow the textbook spelling only. What I gave, it's wrong. Okay. You just pause the video, write your own answers, then only you check. Don't copy what I had given. You won't learn if you follow that what teachers gave. You don't copy. You just write your own. Try to write your own. Then you check your answers. Next, worksheet 5. Now turn to the passage B.2 mix up at birth. Unit sports of my English reader. Locate and write the opposite genders of those given in the blurb. See here, why I did not continue after nouns. Here, English practice book and textbook are interrelated. See, first lesson after only I have to teach first unit of that practice book. Second lesson after second unit of practice book. Like that relation is there. Here from the textbook they had given some questions. If I not teach the mix up at birth, I can't do this bit. Okay, after teaching mix up at birth only, I should do this second unit. And now here, aunt, father, fisherman, they had given here in the blurb. Fisherman, okay. Here they had given the blurb. You should find the answers. Opposite gender. Opposite gender answers are there in the text of mix up at birth. Okay. Aunt opposite what? Uncle. Who is uncle? Mr. Narayan Masvik. Father. Father is who is father? Who is father? Father is given? No, it is not given in the text. Mother is given. Whose mother? This Sunil Gavaskar mother. Fisherman. He was left beside the fisher woman. No, fisherman is not there in the lesson. Fisher woman is there. Opposite gender you should write. Aunt, uncle. See here I had given answers here. Uncle, mother, and fisher woman. Woman, M-A-N. Sorry, here spelling wrong. M-E-N given. It is M-A-N. Okay. Now find out two common genders in the passage. From the passage, you had read common. Common means male or female should come. Teacher, male or female. Boy, friend, male or female. Okay, like that. Cricketer. Those words should be there in the textbook of that mix up at birth. The text of the story from the mix up at birth story only we have to find out, not our own. Cricketer. Have you found that cricketer in that book, in the lesson? Yes. Child also you found. Child script. Okay. Now, do it yourself. Be careful that this is fisher woman I had given. It's a man. M-A-N. It's not M-E-N. Do it yourself. Check your knowledge. Complete the following statements. A. Your mother, your mother's mother is your grandmother. Earlier, the previous page, they asked dad's dad, your father's dad is grandfather. Your mother's mother is your grandmother. So you write here grandmother. Your hair is cut by whom? The barber. Your barber. You should write here barber. Your father and mother are your parents. Right, the C1 is parents. A person who treats a patient. A is given, no A is not there. A person who treats patients is a doctor. A boy on his wedding day is the wedding day. See, wedding time we say that bride or bridegroom. We can't say that a boy or girl. We say that a bride or bridegroom. A pelli koduku, pelli kuturu. We'll say na like that. So the boy we say that bridegroom. Okay. This is page number 16, worksheet 5. Okay. Have we completed? I will give the PDF also, but you complete it now. Self answer and questions are by side are there. No, you can easily complete. Next, go for second bit, page number 17. Pair them. Pair means match. Match and arrange the following list of words in two columns given below. One column, some words are there. Another column, some words are there. A column, B column. A column, they don't have all male. B column, they don't have all female. Mix and match given here. So you can't find, okay? We should separate and write. Here I had given male and female separately. Male and female, they asked to write separate. So fox, count, master, peacock, heart. Heart is nothing but a red deer. We say that heart. Deer, there are different kinds are there. Like we Telugu, we say that Krishna Chinkan like that. So a red deer, we call it as heart. It's a new noun. You learned a new vocabulary. It's a new name for you. The heart is nothing but a red deer. You know, fox, count, master, peacock. Okay, a vixen, count opposite, countess, master opposite, mistress, peacock opposite, peahen, heart opposite, roe, and fox opposite, vixen. You should write all here: fox, count, master, peacock, and heart. You should write here vixen, countess, mistress, peahen, and roe. Okay, answers are here. You just copy in the book. Now fill in the blank with opposite gender of the word given in the bold letter. Here bold letter, some words are there. You should see the bold letter and write in the fill in the blank. Fill the blank with the opposite gender. Okay. Write the answer in the blank, in the given blank with the opposite gender. Okay. A1. The Duke of Kent was cruel, but the Duke opposite is what? Duchess. D capital beta. Duchess was kind hearted. So I don't have book while writing. I can't see this PPT properly. So to add this, I made the mistakes, two, three mistakes I found myself. Here D capital. Here Duke of Kent was cruel, but the Duchess of was kind hearted. Mrs. Cowell invited all her nephews and nieces to their son's birthday. Mr. Cowell invited all her nephews and her nieces to her son's birthday. The wicked queen wanted Snow White to die, but the Dash loved his daughter very much. Nephews opposite gender, nieces. Queen opposite gender, king. You should write here king. My uncle is very fat, but my Dash is slim. Uncle opposite what? Aunt. Okay. The Dash smiled and waved at everyone, but the emperor seemed to be very sad. Emperor, here bold letter is given emperor. Emperor opposite is what? Empress. Okay. You check your answers once again and you just stop the video, pause the video and write the answers. Later you check your answers. Okay, don't copy what I had given. Check your answers. Okay. Uh, we had completed unit 2 in the practice book with this. Okay. Uh, in the April portion, we had unit 1 of textbook, unit 1 and 2 of the practice book. We had completed our lesson. Okay, unit 2. I will send this, and along with this, I will try to give the notes of mixed parts. Thank you. Have a nice day.